you will use the black wire to make another design. Let's going to try black match with the purple. Hi Sabine, happy to see you. Okay, so here we are going to use the wire. Yes, from wire. Thank you, Candy. Okay, so I'm a shop that sell the wire. If you are interested, you can get a wire here. One reel of the wire, the price is $2.5. If anyone interested to got the wire, you can got it here. Don't forget to follow me, my friends, if you are first time here. Next, let's going to make another design. So here we are also folded. Mila, the work, good work. Yes, she's better and better. Thank you. Yes, Sabine changed the name, and some friends, old friends, don't know her change name. Okay, so one piece folded at middle, another piece folded at 5. Okay, another piece folded at 5 here, like this way. Then the piece of the plier here, then fold here. Wrapper. And wrapper. This way. And the tight. Okay. Here. Tight it. Okay, then let's see, use the piece of the wire. We're going to braid another ring. It's also by the purple amethyst beads. Yeah, oh, Cupid zircon beads. Okay. We can string the beads, mixed color, purple. First, you will find that we put the purple here. Then we braid here. This one, then fold it, and the next put the beads, fold, fold, here beads, fold, fold, and the wrapper here. Repeat. Thank you. Thank you so much. Fold it here. This way, and the fold, the wrapper here. So this technique, hello Tracy, I'm good, thank you. Yeah. This way here. Wrapper. Thank you, my friends, to help type the screen. Give me some free like. Okay, here. Thank you. Okay, fold it, and the wrapper. Then braid it. here, the braid here. Go slow. Today we are making some very simple ring. Okay, it's making this ring, the size is a little bit big, so cross the two pieces of the short wire, then you can use this long wire to braid it. Yeah, thank you my friend. Here, let's see if we make it in size 8. Here, let's fold. After fold, we take it and we cut. After cut, you can see 3 millimeter, far 3 millimeter the beads. Hidden the wire at the node part, so this way can make the end very beautiful and smooth. Wrapper. I'm not a shop sell the ready-made jewelry. I'm a shop that sell the materials for jewelry making. If you are first time here, I'm here going to show you how to making the jewelries by chain, by copper wire. Yeah, so cut it. After cut, don't forget to use the flat plier to fold it, so make it tight. Thank you. Here, then this is the size 9. You can see size 9, my middle finger.